Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Omabeta multifunctional smart ultra-thin sweeping robot vacuum cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Omabeta Robot Vacuum Cleaner highlight features or overview summary are include. Omabeta Robot Vacuum Cleaner, our intelligent sweeping robot, integrates cleaning, mop, dust removal and ultraviolet rays. This Trong suction vacuum mop makes daily cleaning more effective and greatly reduces your cleaning tasks. This multifunctional intelligent sweeping robot has one-button intelligent cleaning without any operation. This vacuum cleaner set is very suitable for daily cleaning of homes and offices. This multifunctional intelligent sweeping robot has a 4400 mAh large capacity battery, continuous battery life, can control high, medium, and low driving speed, and can switch freely. This ultra-thin vacuum cleaner floor mop cleaner is effective. This ultra-thin vacuum cleaner floor mop cleaner has smart turning, protects the furniture from damage, and has smooth edges. When encountering obstacles, it can effectively avoid obstacles, prevent falls, and reduce bumps. This multifunctional intelligent sweeping robot is equipped with a trash storage box that can be used to absorb dust and other types of trash, making it cleaner and cleaner. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.